Hello everyone, my name is Hu Lam. Today I'm gonna tell you about where I want to explore this summer. The place I want to explore is the Himalayas. Today I'll tell you Today I'm gonna tell you about 4 parts about where I want to go. First, I will describe this place. Second, I will give you some information about exploring. Next is about what to bring. Then all you have to do for a trip. And lastly is the conscience you need to bring. It's very important. First, let me describe it to you about it. The Himalayas is a great place to look at and it has beautiful view. Next, it's a mountain range from China to Nepal. It's between China and Nepal at the south of Nepal and north of China. It's very rocky and dangerous, so you have to be careful. Next, the weather there is very cold and snowy. It means it has a very rough weather. There, the Everest is a famous point to explore, but also it's very dangerous. Many people die there every year. Next, to get there, you need to go by plane and car, and you will need a lot of money too. Let me give you some information about exploring. First, the person who explored this mountain range is called Naisai Radwan. He's from India. Next, everyone knows that many people want to come here and explore it and also want to climb the Everest. But of course, not anyone can explore it because it's too dangerous. Also, there's some trekking points, and today I'm gonna show you some popular ones. First is the Everest Base Camp. Next is the Poon Hill Trek. Next is
What's next, Tweedle?
I give up.
You give up? No! Don't give up. That was excellent.
No, yeah, don't give up.
Tweedle, listen. Tweedle, listen to me.
Try your best.
Tweedle, listen to me. Listen to me. That was one of the best presentations I've heard so far.
Yeah.
Really, it was really good. Listen, I think you should carry on, please. But you need to know that was really good because you gave me some great information. I was very interested in it. And you were talking about the history and all the people that explored it. So don't give up, because otherwise I have to give you nearly 0 marks. If you finish it, I can give you good marks. Yeah?
Right.
Okay. Just finish it. Just 2
Oh,
minutes. How about Hui Long? Listen.
Hui Long, take a deep breath.
Yeah.
Deep breath.
Hui Long, you don't have to do the whole thing. Give me 1 or 2 more points of your structure, and then do a nice finish. Okay? Just for another 1 minute. Okay? Yeah, because it's already gonna get some good marks, but I just need you to finish it for me. Otherwise, I can't give you good marks. Okay?
Yeah, try your best.
Okay, right. Go. Can you just go ahead from where you were, or if you want, you can move on to a new part of the presentation.
Take a deep breath and think about that. I believe that you can do.
Yeah, you can do great. Okay, you ready? Yes. Okay, go ahead, Hui Long. Finish off. Give me 1 more point or 2 more points, and then finish. Go.
Next, I will show you about some things and do. You can hike, you can relax, you can camp, and you can do many more things there. Next, I'll show you about what you need to bring. You will really need to bring food things that will, and some medicine. Food and medicine. First, eat some energy food, for example, like chocolate. Next is canned food, because it's
Why do we need canned food? Why do we need canned food?
it's very easy to use. Next is water, a lot of water and some water purifiers, because there's like. Last, you need to bring some medicine, because you may get sick when you explore there. Next is hiking equipment. First, you need hiking boots and shoes. Next is a compass, because it will show you a way, or you can bring a smartphone. It has many uses, like calling everyone, but there's maybe no Wi-Fi there. But there's many other uses the phone, so you really need to bring a smartphone. Next is a multi-tool kit, because it has knives, scissors, torch, and some other things. Now, you also need to bring other things. You must bring a tent, warm clothes, and some contact with emergency services. Next, I will tell you about things to do for all the trip. First, you need to drink a lot of water, about 4 liters a day. Next, you need to book a trip to explore there, because you can't explore alone or else you'll die. Next, you need to fly to Nepal to start. or somewhere
Okay.
around it.
Yeah, good, Huilong. Yeah, you can finish up soon if you want.
Next, you need a lot of money and health. You need to have energy to walk for a long time, about few weeks or less. Next, also you need to have health to fight other diseases. And finally, I'll tell you about calcium, because if you don't have calcium, you'll easily die there. First, you shouldn't eat meat there. Next, you must be very careful or you fall off, because as I said earlier, it is very dangerous. And last, you mustn't go anywhere without permission. Thank you for listening.
Yay, see? Excellent. Aren't you so much happier that you finished instead of giving up? Yeah? See? Well done, Huilong. That was fantastic. And yes, just remember in the future, I know you might be nervous, but you're a very good student and you're confident. So, yeah. Okay, thank you very much. You can go now. Okay, Huilong.